you believe it? This is a brand new outdoor patio. We just finished it. Actually, an outdoor walkway. And we just literally just finished this a week ago. And look, we already have an intrusive weed. Already. How is it that we could build something so nice and all of a sudden, not even done with the project yet, and we've got weeds in there? So as you can see, weeds are already germinating. It's March in Georgia, so the grass isn't even green yet. But we still have weeds. It's amazing. What happens here is, and the reason that is because we've broken up the soil. And the soil is getting moisture. And then the soil, because it rained a couple weeks ago, and it's also getting some warm temperatures. So when you start dealing with warm temperatures, grass needs 60-degree temperatures down deep into the soil. Weeds only need 60-degree temperature at the first quarter of an inch. And lo and behold, we have weeds. So I'll just give you the heads up. Keep your eye on those weeds, even though that you're dealing with them. So some of the ways that you can help with the weeds is, number one, you can always put a weed fabric down. I am a weed fabric guy when it comes to rocks. I'm not a weed fabric guy when you're putting pine straw or mulch. The reason is because when you put that weed fabric down, that weed fabric is going to have mulch on top of it or pine straw on top of it. What does pine straw and mulch do? It decays. What is decay? Decay basically is an organic material that breaks down and turns back into dirt. So when you have dirt on top of weed fabric, in about 5 years, you're going to have weeds on top of weed fabric. And so it just simply is better to pull the weeds, spray the weeds, manage them through a controlled process. That's your best option when you start seeing weeds. You got to also know what you're spraying, your selective herbicides, your Roundups, things like that. They're non-selective, so they're going to kill everything. However, we do have a plant around here, some over here. It's called nutsedge. And no matter, I've sprayed nutsedge for years with Roundup and had very little success. But there is some other products out there that can take out nutsedge and that particular weed. So just know what you're spraying. Get out there, get ahead of it. Look at your pre-emergence. Can we put down a pre-emergent? A pre-emergent keeps the weeds from coming back. And that's probably what we'll wind up doing in this particular case. So if you need some help with that, weeds are taking over your yard, give us a call.